Nobody else you. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do.
I'm back with another video, and in this video it's going to be all about this 36-inch wig. Yes, 36 inches, yes. And yes, she is a synthetic wig. And it was so easy to apply, and it was like a 5-minute install, like literally, as you will see in the video. But yes, I will have all the details for this hair down in the description box. This is a Amazon company hair. This is an Amazon hair company, and I will have the name on the screen for you guys. And it was kind enough to reach out to me and wanted me to do a synthetic wig review. I usually don't do synthetic wigs. Like, this probably will be my last one in a while that I do, because I just don't do synthetics. But I was like, let me give the girl a try, because the girls be hooking the syntheticals up. So I just wanted to try it once and see how I can finesse it. And it was just so easy to put on, cut the lace off, and I added a few layers in it, and boom, here we are. Okay, I love the script of red in the front, and it was just so convenient. So if you guys would like to see how I installed this synthetic wig, then make sure you continue watching this video.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't want to say. I won't be around while you chase. You won't hear me up when you make it. You try and come back when you're famous. I always want to do, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You play me.
Okay, babes, this is how the wig look installed, and I cut a few layers in the front just to give it a little shape or whatnot. We'll try to give it a little shape, but yeah, this is what she came out to be. Let me just tuck this piece behind my ear because it's just not making me make it. It's not letting me make it, but yeah. Okay, yeah, so this is how the wig came out. And I really love the style of this wig. I love the red script in the front. It does tangle, I can tell you that. Like, I had a little time untangling it. Like, it's not like it's not a wig that you can just run your fingers through. It's just a wig you put on to run errands and to look cute in for the moment or whatnot. This wig was from an Amazon company. I will have the name on the screen, and I also have the info down in the description box below. It was very, very cheap. This wig was like, on the site, I think it was like $22 for the wig. Yes. If you're one of those people that just love a grab and go wig, make sure you hit that link down in the description box and get you a affordable but cute wig. So yeah, and if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you don't watch this video to the end, why not subscribe? So yeah, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next one. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else.